A single human sneeze blasts out thousands of microscopic droplets at over 100 miles per hour, fast enough to rocket across an entire room in just a few seconds. That's like launching a tiny, invisible storm every time you let one loose. Each droplet, loaded with germs and particles, becomes a high-speed traveler, easily making its way to surfaces, air, and even unsuspecting people across the room. This is why sneezes are one of the most powerful ways germs spread in crowded places. You might think covering your mouth is enough, but the sheer speed and force of a sneeze can send particles blasting right through your fingers or around a flimsy tissue. It's like trying to stop a hurricane with a napkin. So next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember, that little sneeze is actually a microscopic missile launch, and what happens after can travel a lot farther, and faster, than you'd ever expect.